but don't say goodbye. If you ever leave, I'll just die. If I knew the way, if I could only say, if only I could tell you my love. But feeling the way I do, I hope you feel the same way too. If I could just tell you, I wish I could tell you how I feel. Dreams are funny things, a mystery to us all. Dreams sometimes tell us things or say nothing to us at all. But who are we to say, be it fiction or be it fact? The dream I dreamt last night showed you in the moonlight with him, with him, with him. You promised me you wouldn't go back, the plan was gone. You promised me you wouldn't see him again. I believed you then, I believed you then, but not now, but not now, but not now. I hope I dream tonight that you two get in a fight. That would mean that you'd be mine.